Welcome to JH. Today, we are diving into a very important topic that many freelancers ask about, verifying your Upwork identity. If you have just started your freelancing journey or are looking to secure your first job on the platform, this step is absolutely crucial. Let's jump right into the details without wasting any time. First, it is important to understand why Upwork requires this. The platform takes trust and security very seriously, and this process ensures that every user is exactly who they claim to be. Furthermore, clients feel much more confident hiring freelancers who carry that verified badge on their profile. Think of it as a trust signal that helps you stand out in a massive sea of competing profiles. To get started, the first step is to log into your Upwork account. If you do not have an account yet, do not worry because creating one is a very straightforward process. Simply navigate to Upwork.com and click on the Sign Up button. You will be asked to provide basic details like your full name, email address, and a secure password. For even faster access, you can choose to sign up using your Google or Apple account. It is vital to enter accurate information here, as these details will be tied directly to your verification process later on. After you sign up, Upwork will guide you through completing your profile. This is a critical stage because your profile acts as your digital resume for all potential clients. To begin, you will need to upload a professional profile picture, such as a clear headshot with a neutral background. Your profile is the cornerstone of your success on Upwork. Think of it as a resume specifically tailored for the freelancing world. Since this is the first thing clients see, making a strong impression is key. Choose a high-quality photo where your face is clearly visible and avoid using group pictures, selfies, or overly casual photos. A simple smile with a plain background usually works best. Next, use a concise and descriptive title that conveys your expertise. For instance, instead of just writing writer, try something like content writer specializing in tech blogs or graphic designer for branding. Your overview should highlight how you can help clients achieve their specific goals. Focus on the benefits you provide rather than just listing your qualifications. For example, saying, "I create user-friendly websites that help small businesses boost their online presence," is much more impactful than just stating your years of experience. Be sure to add specific skills related to your work, such as SEO optimization, logo design, or data analysis. The more relevant your skills are, the easier it will be for clients to find you. This is also where your portfolio comes in. Upload examples of your best work to showcase your talent. If you are a graphic designer, include logos or marketing materials you have created. If you don't have prior clients yet, you can create a few mock projects to demonstrate what you can do. Additionally, fill out your education and work history completely. Focus on experiences that align with the type of work you are currently offering. If you have earned certifications like Google Analytics or Adobe Photoshop, include them here to validate your expertise. If you are still building your portfolio, you can publish articles on platforms like Medium or LinkedIn to build credibility. A polished and detailed profile makes it easier for clients to trust you and improves your chances of getting verified. Take the time to fill out every single section, as a complete profile signals professionalism and commitment. After your profile is set up, Upwork might automatically prompt you to verify your identity. This usually happens when you start applying for jobs, or once your profile reaches a certain level of completeness. If you don't see a prompt, you can still manually initiate the process. Start by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner of your dashboard to open the menu. From there, click on Settings to access your account's administrative tools. Scroll through the options on the left until you see the Identity Verification section and click on it. Government ID verification is the most common method used on the platform. To complete this, you will need to upload a digital copy of a valid government-issued ID. Upwork accepts passports, driver's licenses, and national ID cards. Make sure the ID is clear, unexpired, and fully visible in the photo. Avoid covering any part of the document with your fingers when taking the picture. Double-check that the name on your ID matches the information on your Upwork profile exactly. If your ID says Jonathan, but your profile says John, update your profile first to avoid any delays. Sometimes, Upwork may ask you to participate in a short video call. Do not be intimidated, as this is not a job interview. The purpose is simply to confirm your identity. Have your ID handy, as you might need to hold it up to the camera in a quiet, well-lit space. In certain cases, you might be offered a quick selfie verification method. You will use your phone or webcam to take a live photo of yourself by following the on-screen prompts. Ensure your lighting is good and avoid wearing sunglasses or hats that could obscure your face. When you are ready to upload your documents, head to the Identity Verification section and select Upload Document. Choose the image or scan from your device, ensuring the photo is clear and no part of the document is cut off. Placing your ID on a flat surface near a window often produces the best results. Avoid using a flash to prevent glare. Once your file is ready, hit Submit and wait for the review. This process typically takes a few hours to a couple of days. Keep an eye on your email for updates or specific instructions if something needs to be corrected. Once verified, you will receive a confirmation email and a blue badge on your profile, which serves as your official seal of approval. If you encounter issues like a rejected ID, simply retake the photo and resubmit. If the process is taking too long, remain patient or follow up with support. Always use a stable connection and high-quality camera equipment during the process. Never use fake or altered documents, as violating Upwork's rules could lead to a permanent account ban. Taking the time to complete this process properly ensures your long-term success and credibility on the platform.